Tougher than nails and built to survive drops, the Milwaukee Stud-E tape measure features EXO 360 blade technology for unmatched durability and smooth standout. This tape's anti-tear coating means it won't wear down even under rugged use. The 10-foot standout gives you reach and readability in tight spaces. With double-sided printing and finger stop protection, it's designed for safety and speed. The compact frame fits easily in your hand or belt clip. Whether you're framing or finishing, this one tool keeps your lines precise. Its reinforced frame protects the internals on tough drops. You'll love the magnet-free design for zero interference on metal. The Stud is your go-to for perfect measurements every time. Keep your workspace mobile and organized with the Milwaukee PACKOUT 15-inch structured tote. Featuring impact-resistant molded base and 65-plus PALS webbing points, it's designed for rugged job site conditions. The open-top structure allows quick access to tools on the fly. With tear-resistant 1680D ballistic material, it handles the daily grind with ease. Seamlessly integrates with the PACKOUT system for effortless transport. Metal-reinforced handles and wide opening offer extra durability. Tool storage just got way smarter with this beast of a tote. Its hard base stays upright no matter how full. Go ahead, load it up. It's built to carry your day. Light up your project with the Milwaukee MX Fuel Rocket Compact Tower Light, packing 20,000 lumens of true view brilliance. This tower rises over 7 feet and collapses in seconds for transport. Dual power lets you plug in or run on battery, offering all-day versatility. Impact-resistant lenses and sealed electronics withstand job site abuse. Weather-resistant build keeps it going through dust and rain. With easy setup and full-area illumination, your work won't stop at sunset. Integrated charger boosts productivity while powering the job. Quiet, cordless, and powerful. It's lighting redefined. This is your portable sun when the site goes dark. Take full control of your grinding with Milwaukee's M18 Fuel variable speed braking grinder. It delivers the power of a 13-ampere corded grinder without the cord. Its rapid stop brake stops the wheel in under 2 seconds for safety. Variable speed control gives you versatility for every material. RedLink Plus Intelligence ensures overload protection. A tool-free guard and paddle switch design add to its convenience. The ergonomic build means less fatigue over long sessions. Run it from metal to masonry with precision. It's compact, fast, and packed with torque. This grinder is a cut above the rest. Literally. Conquer overhead drilling with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel overhead rotary hammer and its built-in dust extraction system. Designed for one-handed use, it's lightweight yet packs a punch. The powerful motor drills fast and clean into concrete and masonry. Built-in auto stop. Control ensures precision and user safety. Integrated HEPA filter captures harmful debris right at the source. It's OSHA compliant and field ready from the get-go. The compact design reduces strain in overhead applications. Red lithium batteries keep it running longer between charges. This is cordless convenience at its smartest. When you need clean, controlled drilling, this is your weapon of choice. Lift with total control using the Milwaukee M18 Compact 1-ton chain hoist with one-key connectivity. This beast combines rugged lifting power with digital precision. Lift loads up to 1 ton with ease, even in tight job site conditions. The compact design and wireless remote mean safer, hands-free operation. With one key, track performance, set limits, and lock out remotely. It's powered by red lithium, delivering more lifts per charge. The metal housing ensures long-lasting durability in harsh environments. Whether it's steel or heavy timber, it handles the load. When brute strength meets smart tech, this hoist leads the way. Make cleaner, faster cuts through thick stock with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Deep Cut Band Saw. Designed for pros who need smooth, burr-free finishes in metal and wood. Its brushless motor delivers constant power even under load. The adjustable shoe and dual-handed grip offer full cutting control. It's balanced for overhead or horizontal work. Tool-free blade changes get you back on the job faster. LED lighting keeps your cut line visible. Integrated rafter hook makes storage simple between uses. This saw doesn't just cut, it slices through your schedule with ease. Drill smarter and cleaner with Milwaukee R. Shockwave Impact Duty. Step bits, engineered for high-speed precision. These bits stay sharper, longer. Perfect for sheet metal, conduit, or wood panels. Optimized for use with impact drivers, they punch clean holes without walking. The rapid strike tip starts fast and keeps your bit centered. Dual spiral flutes reduce heat and maximize speed. Laser-engraved markings make size changes a breeze. Their titanium coating adds extra life and performance. Whether it's HVAC, framing, or shop work, these bits make the job smoother. Step up your drilling game with Milwaukee's most rugged bits yet. Keep your site dust-free with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 3-in-1 backpack vacuum. Powerful, portable, and ultra-efficient. It delivers HEPA-level filtration while keeping noise to a minimum. Wear it, mount it, or roll it. It adapts to your workflow. The brushless motor delivers up to 55 CFM and 76 inches of water lift. Red lithium battery tech powers extended cleanups. An integrated harness system distributes weight for all-day wear. With a flexible hose and multiple attachments, reach every corner. From job site to workshop, it's built for cleanup without slowing down. This vacuum wears many hats, just like you. Dominate core drilling with the Milwaukee MX Fuel 150mm diamond core drill, the king of cordless concrete tools. Designed for wet or dry use, it delivers unmatched control and precision. A powerful brushless motor pairs with auto stop to prevent kickback. Integrated pressure gauge helps maintain optimal speed and performance. Red Link Plus prevents overloading and overheating. A built-in water supply system keeps cores clean and cool. Cordless freedom means easier setup and quicker transitions. With a sturdy stand and smooth travel, you'll core like a pro every time. This drill doesn't mess around. It's made for serious cuts. Reach higher and cut smarter with Milwaukee's M18 brushless telescoping pole pruning shears, designed for clean, powerful cuts up to 1/4 inches thick. The telescoping shaft extends up to 10 feet for those hard-to-reach branches. A brushless motor ensures efficient, smooth trimming through tough limbs. The inline design gives better control and visibility for precise cuts. Red Link electronics protect against overload and overheating. Tool-free chain tensioning keeps things quick and simple. It runs quieter than gas and requires zero maintenance. Ideal for landscapers or job site cleanup. Trim your way to perfection without ever leaving the ground. When the bolts get bigger, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1-inch D-handle impact wrench brings unmatched torque to the job. With up to foot-pounds of nut-busting power, it demolishes stubborn fasteners. Its D-handle design balances control and leverage perfectly. With one key, you can track, manage, and customize torque settings. It runs cord-free, replacing air tools with raw battery muscle. Red Lithium Tech keeps it working long and hard. The 4-mode drive control adapts to any fastening job. It's ideal for heavy machinery, structural steel, or big rigs. Serious torque, serious control. This tool delivers both. Shape, smooth, and finish like a pro with Milwaukee's M18 Fuel 3x18-inch belt sander. This cordless beast delivers power and runtime like a corded model, but without the tangle. Variable speed dial lets you adapt to softwoods or hardwoods in seconds. Automatic tracking keeps the belt in line with no adjustments needed. Its flush edge sanding design hits tight spots easily. Red Link Plus intelligence protects against overloads during extended sessions. Dust port compatibility keeps your workspace cleaner. The ergonomic handle provides comfort over long hours. From cabinetry to framing, this sander is your go-to finisher. Smooth moves start here. Staple with speed and precision using the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-gauge narrow crown stapler. No hose, no compressor, just cordless power. Designed for cabinetry, trim, and underlayment, it fires staples consistently and accurately. Zero ramp-up time means instant fire when you pull the trigger. Tool-free depth adjustment lets you set flush or countersink instantly. Dry fire lockout protects materials and the tool. Red Lithium battery tech keeps you stapling all day. With sequential and contact firing modes, you've got full control. Built to eliminate jams and delays. Fast, clean, and cordless, this stapler gets it done. Keep the air clean and OSHA happy with the Milwaukee M12 Hammer Vac Universal Dust Extractor. It fits most SDS Plus rotary hammers and extracts dust directly from the source. The HEPA filter captures 99.97% of harmful particles, making it perfect for overhead drilling. Red Lithium power ensures long-lasting runtime in a compact body. The adjustable side handle mount keeps everything balanced. The auto-on function syncs with the drill trigger for smart, efficient use. Tool-free adjustments make setup lightning fast. Its lightweight build minimizes fatigue during vertical or extended use. Clean work, healthier job site, no compromise. Light up every inch of your workspace with the Milwaukee M18 Rover mounting floodlight, designed for versatility and rugged reliability. It delivers up to 1,500 lumens of TrueView high-definition output. The compact body mounts anywhere, on studs, pipes, or just sits steady on flat surfaces. Its rotating head directs light exactly where you need it. Built to survive drops, water, and dust, this floodlight thrives on tough job sites. Multiple brightness settings let you control power usage. Powered by any M18 battery, it's ready when you are. Perfect for crawl spaces, basements, or night shifts. This floodlight works as hard as you do. Never get caught in the dark with the Milwaukee rechargeable 500L EDC flashlight. Small in size, big on brightness. It pumps out 500 lumens and fits right in your pocket or pouch. A strong magnetic base lets you go hands-free for tight space fixes. It's powered by red lithium USB for quick charging and long runtime. 3 output modes give flexibility from flood to spot lighting. Built with aircraft-grade aluminum, it's impact and water resistant. Whether you're under a car, behind a panel, or in your garage, it shines bright and lasts long. EDC just got a serious upgrade. This light's a must-have. Polish, prepare, and finish flawlessly with Milwaukee's M12 Fuel 3-inch random orbital sander, made for precision surface work. This compact cordless sander delivers 12,000 OPM for swirl-free results. Its variable speed trigger gives complete control over aggressive or delicate surfaces. The ergonomic form fits snugly in your hand, reducing fatigue. Red lithium. Battery power keeps it running session after session. A universal hook and loop pad simplifies disc changes. It's ideal for fine woodworking, auto detailing, or trim work. Quiet, efficient, and ultra-portable, it goes where big sanders can't. For flawless finishes, this little sander packs a serious punch. Charge like a boss with Milwaukee's M18 PACKOUT 6-bay rapid charger, the ultimate power hub for the modern pro. It juices up 6 M18 batteries, 2 at a time, faster than ever. Fully compatible with the PACKOUT modular system, it's stackable, portable, and job site tough. RedLink. Intelligence optimizes charge times without overheating. LED indicators show real-time battery status, so you're always ready. Its pass-through plug keeps outlets open for other tools. Rugged housing withstands dust, drops, and daily abuse. Keep your team powered or stay solo and always charged. This charger doesn't wait, and neither should you. Flatten, level, and prep with pure power using the Milwaukee MX Fuel 20-inch plate compactor. Say goodbye to gas. This cordless beast delivers pro-level compaction performance. With no fumes and low vibration, it's safer and easier to operate. Instant start and zero maintenance mean more time working and less time wrenching. The 20-inch base plate covers wide areas quickly while still being easy to maneuver. Red lithium battery packs power it through a full day's work. From paver installs to foundation prep, it gets the job solid, smart, tough, and efficient. This compactor is paving the future of cordless performance. Cut underground cables cleanly and safely with the Milwaukee M18 Force Logic 5-inch underground cable cutter. Designed for remote operation, it keeps you out of harm's way with a wireless remote up to 100 feet away. Its powerful hydraulic mechanism slices through 5-inch cables with ease. The scissor-style jaws deliver straight, deformation-free cuts. RedLink. Intelligence ensures optimal performance under heavy loads. Built-in one-key technology lets you track and manage the tool remotely. It runs on M18 batteries, so you're always cordless and mobile. For utility pros and electrical contractors, this cutter brings power, safety, and precision. Underground work just got smarter. Power up your hydraulic tools on the go with Milwaukee's M18 Force Logic 10,000 PSI hydraulic pump. This compact unit replaces heavy gas and corded pumps, delivering unmatched portability and speed. It operates faster than traditional models while reducing weight and fatigue. RedLink Plus Tech prevents overloads and improves efficiency. With a push-button interface and one-key integration, control is right at your fingertips. The auto dump feature improves cycle times, saving you valuable minutes. It's perfect for transmission maintenance, utility setups, and industrial use. Work fast, work cordless. This pump is built to elevate your workflow. Compact muscle that delivers every drop. Lay it out with laser precision using Milwaukee's M12 Green 360-degree 3-plane laser, the ultimate in Jobsite layout tools. This all-in-one laser projects horizontal and vertical lines in a full 360 degrees, ensuring total alignment from every angle. The bright green diodes offer superior visibility in any lighting. Automatic alignment with the included receiver reduces manual tweaks. It runs off M12 batteries, giving long runtime and quick swaps. Integrated magnets and a low-profile mount let you attach it securely. Durable and IP54 rated for harsh sites. It's the laser that keeps you square, level, and efficient. Your next build deserves this level of accuracy. Conquer clogs fast with the Milwaukee M12 Fuel. High-speed chain snake, a cordless beast for serious drain cleaning. Designed for 2-inch to 4-inch lines, it powers through roots, scale, and buildup with blazing RPMs. Variable speed control keeps you in command in tight pipes. RedLink Plus protects the tool from binding damage. The chain knockers expand inside the pipe for a perfect clean. Compact and lightweight, it goes where drum machines can't. No cords, no mess, just efficient drain clearing. Ideal for plumbers on the go. Get in, clear it out, and get paid. Fast and clean. Double up on charging power with Milwaukee's M18 Dual Bay Simultaneous Supercharger. It charges 2 M18 batteries at the same time. No waiting, no switching. It's optimized for red lithium high output packs, cutting downtime in half. The compact design fits tight shop or van spaces easily. Internal fan cooling protects batteries during hot days or heavy cycles. LED status lights keep you informed in real time. Wall mount or bench top, this charger adapts to your setup. From site to shop, it's a battery boss. Stay ahead of the job with faster, smarter charging. Slice through steel pipes like butter with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2-inch to 1-inch steel pipe cutter. Designed for clean, burr-free cuts in tight spaces, it delivers consistent results without sparks or open flames. Its inline design and quick adjust jaw make it perfect for overhead or wall flush cuts. RedLink Plus keeps it cool and powerful under pressure. The auto-adjusting blade clamps securely onto steel for smooth operation. It's cordless, compact, and built for everyday job site abuse. Ideal for mechanical, plumbing, and fire protection pros. This cutter means no rework, no hassle, just precision pipe work every time. Handle fiber with finesse using Milwaukee's fiber optic drop cable slitter, built for precise jacket removal without damaging the fiber inside. It's compatible with flat and round drop cables, offering multiple blade depths. The ergonomic grip gives you perfect control for clean, repeatable cuts. No adjustments needed. The preset blade depth does the job right every time. Compact and pocket-friendly, it's perfect for techs in the field. It's a small tool that makes a big difference in productivity. From FTTH to commercial installs, it simplifies every splice prep. Fiber work just got faster, safer, and more professional. Protect your ears and stay connected with Milwaukee's USB rechargeable hearing assist earplugs with Bluetooth. They block out job site noise while enhancing speech and ambient sounds. Built-in Bluetooth lets you stream music or take calls without removing them. The rechargeable design offers all-day comfort and battery life. Multiple ear tip sizes ensure a perfect fit for any ear. IPX4 water resistance handles sweat, dust, and rain. They're perfect for pros who need protection and communication without compromise. From grinding floors to wiring ceilings, stay safe, stay sharp, and stay in touch. Stay organized like a pro with Milwaukee's PACKOUT tilt bin organizer, designed for small parts, big jobs, and total control. Each bin tilts forward for quick access without removing the whole unit. It integrates seamlessly into your PACKOUT stack for easy transport. The clear fronts let you see what's inside without guessing. Built from impact-resistant polymers, it's tough enough for vans, shops, or job sites. Wall mount or carry, it works wherever you do. Keep your fasteners, bits, or connectors perfectly in place. Less digging, more doing. When your gear's this organized, your job runs smoother from start to finish. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.